Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we compare products so you can make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the sky and comparing two high-flying drones, the TENSSENX GPS drone and the CHUBORY super enduring brushless motor drone. Let's see which one will soar to new heights and which one will crash and burn. First things first, let's talk about the price. The TENSSENX GPS drone comes in at $169, while the CHUBORY super enduring brushless motor drone is priced at $149. That's a $20 difference, which could almost buy you a pizza. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of both drones, but note that CHUBORY offers a slight edge in price. Now, let's talk about cameras. The TENSSENX GPS drone boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120-degree wide angle and 90-degree adjustability. Reviewers love its cinematic quality. On the other hand, the CHUBORY drone comes with a 2K HD camera and a 130-degree wide-angle lens. While not as ultra-clear as TENSSENX, it's still highly appreciated for its quality. If you want top-notch visuals, TENSSENX is your go-to, but CHUBORY offers decent quality for a lower price. Moving on to flight time, the TENSSENX GPS drone comes with two modular batteries, giving you up to 46 minutes of flight time. Reviewers find this quite sufficient for casual use. However, the CHUBORY drone impresses with 3 upgraded batteries, offering a whopping 84 minutes of flight time. Reviewers are blown away by its endurance, making it ideal for extended flying sessions. Let's get into the nerdy stuff: motors and durability. The TENSSENX GPS drone has standard motors, while the CHUBORY drone flexes with alloy brushless motors. Reviewers highlight the CHUBORY's stronger, quieter, and longer-lasting motors, as well as its upgraded composite material that makes it more crash-resistant. If durability and motor quality are your priorities, CHUBORY takes the crown. Now, let's talk features. The TENSSENX GPS drone comes packed with GPS auto return home, follow me, waypoint fly, point of interest, and even voice and gesture control. Reviewers love the versatility. The CHUBORY drone, on the other hand, offers one key start landing, optical flow positioning, altitude hold, follow me, 3D flips, headless mode, and more. Reviewers appreciate its range of features, though some find them tricky to use. Both drones are feature-rich, but TENSSENX offers a bit more in terms of advanced controls. Finally, portability and design. The TENSSENX GPS drone is foldable, weighs less than 250 grams, and comes with a durable carrying case. Reviewers find it perfect for spontaneous trips. The CHUBORY drone is also foldable, weighs less than 249 grams, and comes with a carrying case. Plus, it offers a 1-year warranty and permanent support guarantee, which reviewers find reassuring. Both drones are highly portable, but CHUBORY offers a bit more in terms of customer support. Overall, reviewers are generally satisfied with both drones. The TENSSENX GPS drone is praised for its camera quality, ease of use, and affordability, though some mention minor issues with battery life and reliability. The CHUBORY super enduring brushless motor drone is appreciated for its flight time, motor quality, and ease of use, but some reviewers note issues with stability and reliability. So there you have it, folks. The TENSSENX GPS drone or the CHUBORY super enduring brushless motor drone. Which one will you choose to take your aerial adventures to the next level? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying. Product links are in the description.